Here is my Pharaohs mask that I just repot a couple days ago, and you can already see that it has pushed out new leaves already, both of them, the small one and the big one. And my lemon lime gecko that I trim off the leaf about a week ago has grown back already. And the other one, this is the Maui sunrise. I don't think I will be correct on that pronunciation. I'm sorry again. And the other one is the Hawaiian punch. Now that one was badly damaged on during transportation, and we have to chop off all the leaf, and now it has to grow back, push out new leaf, and even have new shoot. You see, there's a new shoot, one there. That already push it. Yeah, it has a new leaf coming. That's another one there. So fast. So now these pots, they don't have any drainage hole, and this is all water inside. This is all water. It has been raining for like 2 weeks. Yes, there you can see on the Pharaohs pot, it's full of water, but they survive, no problem. And this is how I raise my Colocasia at home. They're all under direct sunlight, and they are basically, I just raise them like lily pad, and they survive, no problem.